click on the link given in the description. This site will open. The site name is CoinWink. Click here and sign up by giving your email and solve CAPTCHA. After you sign up, login into your account. Now if you want get notification by change price in dollar, then click on this dollar symbol. If you want get notification by change price in percentage, then click on this percentage symbol. Now I select dollar symbol. Now select your coin from here. Okay, you can select any coin and make email alert. So now I select Bitcoin. This is present price of BTC. Okay, present price available from here. Now enter here your price where you want get notification about the present price. Now I enter 19,402. Okay, now enter your price here where you want get notification below the present price. Now enter 19,400. Okay, now click on alert. Okay, now immediately you receive one mail as see there. Your price alert has been created, and now when you reach your alerted price, you will receive another notification. Okay, now I show you that. See there, I received a mail. Bitcoin is above $19,402 USD. Okay, in this way you will receive email alert for your cryptocurrency's price. So now I select percentage symbol. Now same I selected BTC. This is the email, you will receive notification to this mail. Enter your percentage where you want get notification about the present price. Now I enter 1%. Now enter your percentage here, where you want to get notification below the present price. Now I enter 1%. Now click on create alert. Okay. Now you will receive notification according to your price alerts. Okay. Now go to bell symbol, all your alerts present here. When your alert completed, it's erased by one single line. See here. If you want notification again on same price, just click on it. Okay, the line will be removed. If you don't want notification, just click on it. Okay, if you click on the price, you will not get notification on that price. Okay, this way you can remove it. If you want remove alert, just click on this into button. Okay, alert will be removed. In this way you can make email alert for your cryptocurrencies.